So as we said, today we're going to be learning about languages, talking about the languages that you speak, and also being able to say that you don't understand something. To begin with, we're going to learn the names of some of the languages that you may speak. We'll start with the language we are learning. That is, of course, le français.
Le français.
And of course, we've come across that phrase pretty much every lesson. Anna, what's your phrase that you start every lesson with?
Je suis prête pour apprendre le français avec Coffee Break French.
Voilà. Le français, French, of course. Now, English is l'anglais.
L'anglais.
Now, notice here that we're talking about le français and l'anglais. The actual word is anglais and français, but we're using the definite article, the word for the, beforehand. And that's something that you've got to do in French. If you're speaking about a language, you talk about the French or the English. And we're talking about the language there, not the people. Le français,
Le français.
l'anglais.
L'anglais.
Anna, can you remember how you would say, I like to learn French?
J'aime apprendre le français.
Très bien, j'aime apprendre le français. Now, apprendre le français means to learn the French, to learn French. To say, I speak French, this is the one situation where you can drop the le. So you would say, je parle français.
Je parle français.
Je parle français.
Je parle français.
Très bien, je parle français. Okay, so how would you say then, I speak English?
Je parle anglais.
Je parle anglais. Okay, so I speak English. Now, Anna, I'm going to ask you a question here and see if you can answer it. Tu parles français?
Oui, je parle français.
Okay, so I asked you, do you speak French? Tu parles français? Can you repeat that?
Tu parles français?
And you answered, I speak French. Oui, je parle français.
Oui, je parle français.
Okay, you ask me a question.
Tu parles anglais?
Oui, je parle anglais. Okay, so tu parles is you speak or do you speak. Tu parles, do you speak, or you speak. Tu parles français? Do you speak French? Tu parles anglais? Do you speak English? Let's learn a few other languages. We might be talking about Espagnol,
Espagnol.
which would be
Spanish.
Spanish, of course. So, do you speak Spanish would be
Tu parles espagnol?
Tu parles espagnol. Très bien. Tu parles espagnol.
Tu parles espagnol?
Anna, tu parles espagnol?
Non, je ne parle pas espagnol.
Très bien. You remembered ne pas goes round the verb. In this case, parle. Je parle espagnol. Je ne parle pas espagnol. Je ne parle pas espagnol.
Je ne parle pas espagnol.
Okay. What about italien? Italien would be
Italian?
Italian, yeah. So, Anna, tu parles italien?
Oui, je parle italien.
Okay, so do you speak a little Italian? Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, you could say un peu, un peu.
Un peu.
Now, in French, you have to say a little of Italian. Un peu d'italien.
Un peu d'italien.
Un peu d'italien. In that situation, I said it was un peu de, but de becomes D apostrophe before a vowel. Un peu d'italien.
Un peu d'italien.
So to say a little of French, you would say
Un peu de français.
un peu de français. Très bien. Un peu de français.
Un peu de français.
Okay, so can you say, I speak a little French?
Je parle un peu de français.
Je parle un peu de français. Très bien. So we've had français, anglais, espagnol, italien. We might also talk about allemand.
Allemand.
Allemand would be, any guesses?
German.
Yes, okay, we've been through some of the main European languages, so German would probably be the next obvious one. Allemand.
Allemand.
Okay, let's learn a few other languages. We may be talking about Chinois.
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 What would Chinois be?
Chinese.
Chinese, yeah. So how would you say, I speak a little Chinese?
Je parle un peu de chinois.
Okay. Tu parles un peu de chinois, Anna?
Non, je ne parle pas chinois.
Okay. So we've also had je ne parle pas. I don't speak. Okay. So je ne parle pas chinois.
Je ne parle pas chinois.
What about japonais?
Japonais.
Le japonais is?
Japanese.
Japanese, that's right. Alors, Anna, tu parles japonais?
Oui, je parle un peu de japonais.
Ah bon?
Oui.
Qu'est-ce que tu sais dire en japonais? What can you say in Japanese?
I can say o genki desu ka?
Ah, watashi wa genki desu. Anna-san wa?
Watashi mo genki desu.
It's a long time since I've spoken Japanese. I can say, je parle un peu de japonais.
Je parle un peu de japonais.
Et toi aussi, tu parles un peu de japonais?
Oui, je parle un peu de japonais.
Okay, we're going to take a short break there and we'll be back in just a moment. We're going to move on from parler now and look at another verb linked to language. And this verb is the verb to understand. To understand in French is comprendre.
Comprendre.
Okay, so to say I understand, you say je comprends.
Je comprends.
Je comprends.
Je comprends.
Très bien. Now, you remember with I speak French, we didn't need to use the word le. Je parle français as opposed to je parle le français. When you come to say I understand French, you do actually have to use the le here. So you would say je comprends le français.
Je comprends le français.
Now, if we use the rules that we've been using previously to form a negative, how would you say I don't understand?
Je ne comprends pas.
Très bien. Je ne comprends pas.
Je ne comprends pas.
So, Anna, if I ask you, tu comprends? And you want to say, no, I don't understand, you would say?
Je ne comprends pas.
Okay, so, tu comprends?
Je ne comprends pas.
Très bien. Okay, we have je comprends, tu comprends, and the vous form of comprendre is comprenez.
Comprenez.
Vous comprenez?
Vous comprenez?
So, once again, I could ask, vous comprenez? And if you understand, you would say?
Oui, je comprends.
And if you don't understand, you would say?
Non, je ne comprends pas.
Très bien. Okay, let's imagine a situation that someone is speaking to you in French and you're trying really hard to understand, but you're just not getting it. You could say, je ne comprends pas, and they may well try to say it in English, for example. But perhaps what will be more use to you is if they say it more slowly. And indeed, it would be quite useful to know the phrase for more slowly. And that would be plus lentement.
Plus lentement.
Plus lentement.
Plus lentement.
So if you wanted to say more slowly, please, using the formal form of please, what's that again?
S'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît. Okay, so more slowly, please.
Plus lentement, s'il vous plaît.
Okay, and if you're talking to someone younger than you or talking to a friend, how would you say more slowly, please?
Plus lentement, s'il te plaît.
S'il te plaît. Très bien. Okay, more slowly, please. Plus lentement, s'il vous plaît. plus lentement, s'il te plaît, for the informal. And if you just don't hear what someone says and you want to say pardon or sorry, you could say comment.
Comment?
Now, you've heard that one before in the phrase comment t'appelles-tu, which of course means...
What is your name?
Yeah, and the word comment literally means how. How do you call yourself? Comment t'appelles-tu? So when you say comment, you're actually saying how. But it's, I suppose in English we would say what, or pardon, or sorry, or something like that. Comment?
Comment?
And that's just about it for this week's programme.